You coulda want kiss that. Look on that. You coulda want kiss that. You left from where fine and want kiss Rosealee. Right, you disgust me. Right, you disgust me. You disgust me. You left from where Canada or which part you come from. And want blood clot kiss Rosealee. Stinking Rosealee. Rosealee went up beard. Rosealee embarrassed because True Onella shows Rosealee dirty. True Onella turned the camera and show her how Rosealee turned bad in her jeans. Every day Rosealee wear jeans. Every day she buy out the whole of Sheen maternity jeans them. Every day she buy out the whole of the maternity clothes off of Sheen. The woman really accuse Onella. Every day she in her one uniform. Jeans there, jeans there, jeans there. Are you for name jeans there, man? Come suck me tish. She no humble girl. Me not Shanika don't trouble Rosealee today. I stay up. Me dey on the phone attack. And me dey on the phone just a relax. In my house a relax. I'm only could I get beer screen recording. Rosealee a chat about kitty pussy. We make Rosealee sit down a chat about kitty pussy. Rosealee, you not have nothing to do. You bad mind me for my fat pussy. Rosealee, me not wear pampers. And even if me did wear pampers, it would stink. But it would stink on you because you have fats and oil. So if you did wear pampers, it would stink on you. Because you're that big fat girl. You need to lose some weight. All you do is eat. And you look uncomfortable every day. We don't know if you like laying down or you sit down up every day. Sometimes we have to wonder if Rosealee lay down or she sit down up. Because you're big and fat, you full up the whole of the screen. You still bad. You still bad, Rosealee. You stink and you still bad. Be careful why people hype her up so neither. Because she's not that girl. She stink. Guys, big up on yourself. I'm done because honestly, Rosealee just don't at all.